Hi YouTube, this is just a quick tip if you're trying to get your pressure washer to work with a water butt and having no success at all. If you have a hose pipe valve like this one that has a water pressure shut off on the inside, this is what is causing your problems. If you have one of these particular attachments with the water shut off, when that gets pushed in, the water isn't allowed to flow through it. So if you have one of these, make sure this is on the end of the water butt, so as the water passes through, it pushes out and pushes the valve out. If this is on the end of your couch or the pressure washer, as the water pushes against that, it shuts the valve off and stops it from getting into your Karcher or pressure washer of type. So just a quick tip, that's what your problem is. If you either remove it or use another hose pipe sort of valve without these, you won't have a problem at all. But that's what it is. Have a good day. See ya.